beautiful people, and welcome back to another video by your girl here, Big Bubbly Beauty. It's great to see you all again. So today is another subscription box unboxing, but this time it is the FabFitFun fall box. I took a bit of an unplanned hiatus and these boxes kind of accumulated, and then I put them off because I didn't get much of a summer because I was working so hard, and then I realized now that these are very late, so if no one wants to watch these, that's fine. I'm sorry for being so late with them, but I figured for those of you who like to see what I get in both my box and my add-ons, I would film it anyways and upload it for you. So here we go. So this is the fall box. I actually really like their new box design. It's much more like of a matte cardboard, not the shiny stuff. I feel like this will be easier to recycle. But I also quite like it because this one doesn't come as battered as my Cause box does, so I'm kind of excited for it actually. There's less packing peanuts inside too. That's kind of nice. So of course there's the magazine that comes with it as always. Now I do get this box as an annual subscription, so I do get to choose some of the items inside the box. So if I see it, I'm like, oh, this is what I got, that's because this was the best choice out of all of them for me. And I find that works the best for me because I'm an incredibly picky person. So I'm not quite sure why I love subscription boxes so much because of that, but I do. Anyways, let's get into it. Alright, so first thing, because it's on top, Glossmetics hair removal device. It says this device will instantly and painlessly sweep away unwanted hair from any area of your body. So it's this little like wobbly head thing. Is that supposed to come off like that? Okay, no, it's not. You're supposed to secure it. I do like that it comes with a battery to start with. But this is what it looks like. It's rose gold. It's gorgeous actually. It comes with a little brush. So this was the Glossmetics hair removal device, and it is $59.99, so essentially $60. And I could have gotten this or a Beyond Yoga hidden pocket infinity scarf, which I don't need. I don't like scarves. I don't like them because they feel like they're choking me all the time. I can't be alone in that feeling. Let me know if you feel it too. I could have gotten the Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum, which is $65. I have a cleanser type thing that I really like that has alpha hydroxy acid and beta, I think, in it, so I don't need that. I could have also gotten the woven scarfigan with fringe. Again, I'm not a huge scarf person. Beauty Celery Green Cream, which is $55. Mostly didn't get that because I actually hate the way celery tastes and smells, so I don't think I could have stood putting it on my face. That was why I didn't get that. And that would have been 55 bucks. Wow. God, skincare is expensive. Why is it so expensive? I don't know. Anyways, I could have gotten the Erno Laszlo Pore Cleansing Clay Mask, which was 48 bucks. I have an entire drawer in my bathroom for masks that I need to go through. I don't need any more masks, which is why I didn't get that. But so those were what I could have gotten instead, but I'm glad that I got this thing because, as I said, it miraculously, mine died like 2 or 3 days ago, and now I have another one, so it's perfect. It was not the same brand, but it's similar enough. I gotta use it to get rid of any unwanted facial hair. Next, ooh, this is a cute carton. So this is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk, nourished with coconut and argan oil, illuminating milk for face and body. Interesting. It's a highlighter, but you can use it on your body? Kind of like the packaging actually. Just like a little highlighter. Let's see. Oh, oh, oh. Careful when you open it, you will get glitter everywhere. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or not. We'll have to see. So this was $19.50. For that much highlighter, that's actually not bad. Depends on how it performs, but that's not bad for that much highlighter. I could have gotten that or the Beauty Papier Golden Superfood Shower Gel. Meh, which is $30. I don't think I got to choose this one. And the Ziggy and Marais Pouch with Stripe, which was $30. Which, honestly, that looks kind of tacky. Again, personal opinion, but not a big fan. So I still got the thing that I would have wanted if I had a choice, so cool. Next, ooh, I'm so basic. That sound was because it says pumpkin spice on it. And then I read what it actually was and I'm like, I'm not sure about this. It's a pedicure in a box. Okay, it's not actually the nail part. It's the sea salt soak, sugar scrub, mud mask, and massage butter. and is vegan. Interesting. I'm so torn because I want to use this for myself, but I also know who this would be a perfect gift for. Like, one of my friends would absolutely love this, or at least I think she would. And I kind of want to give it to her because it just seems like something she would like and would appreciate. I'm going to save it because it's going to be a gift. Going to be a gift. So the Voyage New York Pedicure in a Box Duo Pumpkin Spice, and it was $20, sorry. And I could have gotten the Laundress New York Crease Release, which was $16. Oh, I wanted to try that. Or the Spongel Boxed Flower in Sweet Cedar Wood, which was $16. And that's one of the body loofah things, which I have a lot of, honestly. I really like them. So depending on the scent, it would have been for me or it would have been for my partner, Garrett. Who knows? But and like the one I got was pretty cool, so I'm excited to give it to my friend for Christmas. Oh, these are blue light glasses. Yes. I apologize for the terrible sound quality at the beginning. My good microphone was not recording the entire beginning portion. I'm sorry. So these are from Nectar, and they are blue light blocking glasses. Now I got these because I have a pair that are clear, but they're not very stylish, but I wanted to see how these would look on me. Mirror. Methinks these are not the right shape for my face. They look a little odd on my face. Might pass these on. I'm one of those people that looks good in many different hats. Like, all sorts of hats look good on me, but in terms of glasses shape, very few styles look good on me, which sucks because I need glasses in order to see. But anyways, oh, that was embarrassing. So these, I could have gotten the Jenny Bird Austin cuff necklace, which does not look like my kind of necklace, honestly. Not like something I would wear, and it was $135, which is extremely overpriced. Leanna pendant. Oh, sorry. I guess there was one that was similar to that. That was the cuff, and that was the pendant. This pendant is $115, neither of which are up my alley. The Vitamasks multivitamin mask set. Again, same thing with masks. I have enough. The sunglasses, which were $45. I mean, they're very cute. They're just not the right shape for my face. So I might still end up wearing them because they're functional. I might also give them to someone else who does a lot of screen time because it might work better for their face. And then the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette, which I actually already own. I like it. I like it a lot. And that was $38. I mean, it's a little overpriced, but I think I got it in a previous box. So I quite like the eyeshadow palette, actually. Oh my god, okay. So this is... Oh, I love the phrase on this. It says, guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. It is Original Coffee Scrub. It's a body scrub, but for coffee. Yes. I'm so excited to try that. I don't tend to take morning showers, but when I do take a morning shower, this will be nice because it'll give me a little pick-me-up without actually needing to drink coffee. Or at least that's the hope. So for this, I could have gotten a Mason Tops glass water bottle with neoprene and turquoise, which was $35, which looked pretty cool, but I have a lot of water bottles already, so I didn't need any more. And then the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, which I don't need. I have brow gels. That was $22. The Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream, which was $28. In that same drawer where I have all the masks, I have all sorts of skincare products that I've gotten from various boxes, so I don't think I need more. The coffee scrub, which was $16.95. The last thing I could have gotten was the Feel Beauty Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. I think I heard something that walnut as an exfoliator is not super good for you, so I think that's why I avoided it, and then this just drew me in. Yes, it's the least in terms of value out of all the options, but it's the thing that I wanted the most, so for me it's more valuable. And plus, actually at $16.95, if I like it, I might actually go get it. Like, that's a decent price. Not like some of the other stuff where I'm just like, oh boy, if it wasn't in my box, I would not have gotten it for that price. That's not bad. Might actually get it at that price if I like it. Stress reliever. 100% natural hair oil. Interesting. Let's see what it smells like. Not actually super potent. That's surprising. Nice. Surprising. So this is the Liquid RX Stress Reliever 100% natural Ayurvedic. Sure. Hair oil. It says give yourself a scalp massage to relieve dry and stressed out hair while calming the mind. And it was $75. Whoa. How much of this do you use at a time though? Wait, you're supposed to use it and then shampoo and rinse about an hour afterwards. So you use it before you shower. You know what though? I shower at night most of the time, so this might actually get some use. This might be useful for me. Could have gotten the hip cutlery set, which was a wheat straw cutlery set with a carrying case that was $14.95. I have a few of those. Again, I don't need any more. The NCLA So Rich Cuticle Oil in Horchata. While my nails could use the love, I don't use the nail oils that I have, so. And the 8 Other Reasons Runaway Clip Trio. I have a lot of hair clips that I don't use and that look very similar, so just wasn't worth it. And the last thing was the Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse. Well, I did like these when I had them. I didn't really use up all of them, and then I got water in the container by accident, so I had to throw them out. But they were $16. I could have gotten some more of those, but I just didn't. I wanted to try something new. This intrigued me because it's very expensive, and if it's worth it, cool. If it's not, I wanted to try it. So this is the Perfect Repair Treatment Mask, Color Safe by Nature Lab Tokyo. It's a bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment for smoother, stronger hair. Ooh, yes. So this was $16, which that's actually not bad if I like it and if it works. Again, it goes in the pile of reasonably priced items that I might actually purchase if they work well for me. I could have gotten the Stone Candles Room Spray and Pumpkin Spice. I don't know if I mentioned this before in a video that you've seen, but most scents I don't react well to, so I try to avoid most perfumes and room sprays and stuff like that because some of them give you migraines. So I try to avoid them as much as possible. So for me, something like that, it could be really good and it could work really well, or it could set off a migraine. So I just avoid it. Stone Candles Room Spray in Santal Noir, $36. Same thing. Much more likely to get the Pumpkin Spice one. Just saying. And then the last one is the Height Tranquility Sleep Mist, which I have something very, very similar. So I don't need it anything else. And that was $22. The last thing in here is quite a big box. Ooh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. I have been on a bit of a home decor kit. Gorgeous. So gorgeous. Okay. It's like nesting dolls. These are so pretty. I'm very excited for these. So these were, let's find them with them. So these were the Uncommon James set of 2 copper canisters. They were $49, which is a lot, but they are actually copper. So I am not sure if that makes it better or worse, but I'm very excited for these. These are very cute. Very, very, very cute. I could have gotten the Bodker New York Bond Tote or the New York Trigger Backpack, which were $128 and $100 respectively. And like, they look nice. They do look nice. It's just not something that I prefer these actually. I could have gotten the Foxy Bay 25mm black curling wand with rose colored barrel, which was $99. I really don't do my hair. That was $99, which is a lot, but I also just don't really do my hair. So that would have been pointless for me. Same with the Sacha Wand Styling Cream and Finish Cream, which was $65. Again, I don't really do my hair. So those would be pointless for me. There's the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner and Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. I don't need any more of those. Those were $45. And then the Mia Melange Foldable Cotton Basket, which looked super cute, but looked like it would be tinier than I would want it to be for $60, so I didn't end up getting it. But that did look cute. I have a lot of baskets already. I kind of wanted it, but I couldn't justify it. And as I said, with the 2 bags, they were really cute. I preferred these. I'm not sure if I did add them to my add-ons haul though, so we will see if I actually do have them, but they're adorable. I do have a lot of bags though, so I really shouldn't have added them if I did. We'll have to find out. So that was everything that I got in this box. That was quite a lot. So these, very excited, very happy for. I just make my little decor hearts sing. I love them. They're so cute. I don't know if I'll be using them here in my filming room or in my actual kitchen. We will have to see. But I've been watching a lot of, what is it called? The Home Edit. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about when you watch that and you look at your home and you're like, I need to organize. I need to have pretty containers and everything. So yeah, that's where that comes from. I'm actually really excited for this hair mask. And as I said, it wasn't a bad price. Like, that's a pretty reasonable price for a hair mask like this. So if I like it, I'm going to get more. And I kind of like that it's made of bamboo. I'm kind of on a bamboo kick. I don't know why. The coffee body scrub. Yes, I don't really use body scrub, but I'm I am excited. I do like the instructions on the back. Lose the pants, you don't need them to get where we're going. Destination, Babe Town. I'm really hoping this smells like coffee. I really am. As I said, these are actually quite useful because again, I edit videos and I spend a lot of time on my computer also for my job. So these are actually great. I wish the style was a little bit better. I might have to use mine from before, which are clear and not quite as weird looking on my face, and might give these to my mom, who also works a computer job. This stuff, I would be curious to try it. I'm not a big foot care person myself, but I do have some foot care stuff left over from before. But this, like, being pumpkin spice sounds really cool. Again, though, because it's a vegan and it does foot care, I think I am going to save it for a friend of mine. But I'm still happy I got it. This thing, overpriced. Yes, it's overpriced. But did I need it because my other one broke? Yes, I did. So I'm actually really excited to have gotten that as well. This hair oil, if it works as a stress reliever, that'd be really cool, because as I said, I shower mostly before bed. So when I do shower before bed, this would be neat to try out to see if it is relaxing. It's definitely overpriced for what it is. It's a very tiny bottle. And then last but not least is the Glow Milk, which even if I was to use it, I think it might just be a little too dark for me, like a little too rose gold dark. So I might pass this on to someone who uses more highlighter than I do, because I already have a drawer full of highlight. So we'll see if I use this or not on myself, but I might end up passing this on. So that is everything I got in my box. I do have my add-ons to do, but I'm actually going to save that for a video as part 2. So that will come up later on in the week. And until then, I will see you later, beautiful people. Bye.